Everything back in place. Let's heat it. Mr. Derek, fire up please. We're gonna warm up. I put here inside the foam, the old gaskets and some other stuff, and the bracket I have it from this side. Alright. Okay, we are waiting to warm up and then we're gonna run the adaptation. And when it comes silent, when it reaches 70 degrees, 8 degrees, the oil, it's gonna come silent. For you a second, for us 10 minutes. Start it. Go to 3. Go 3000 RPMs and stay there. Engine off. Ignition on. On. The teaching process was completely successful. Nice. Trouble codes. Internal data will not be stored in control unit. We don't care about that. These codes, yes. Hit codes. Splendid. Okay, start it, leave it running. It's already at 70 degrees. Waiting until it comes quiet. Okay, Mr. Derek. Start it again to hear it now. Much better. It's gonna come even more quiet. When it comes at operation temperature and you drive a little bit, it's gonna be completely silent. Classic like any other time. Hey, that's it, that's the end. Thank you.